a new series on here. Oh, by the way, 600 subscribers. Let's go. So stop now. Click the subscribe button. Turn on the bell. Post notifications. And like always, you can like or dislike. It's fine. But please leave a comment. The new series is I'm going to be doing my makeup. Yeah. So I'm almost 24. And I don't wear makeup, like, ever. It's just recently that I'm starting to try out makeup, and there have been many trials and tribulations because it's been terrible, because I don't know what I'm doing. So I figured, why not film it and put it out there for the world to see? Because, you know, I like that. I'm just going to go in with this Urban Decay palette. So this is all new. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going off what I think works. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to try it on what? I'm going to try and put on some concealer. I don't have like eyeshadow primer or whatever. Concealer sticks work just as well as eyeshadow primers and stuff. So I'm using the Physicians Formula concealer stick in light, the lightest color they had, light. The concealer stick corrector. I don't know how much you put on. I don't know what it's supposed to look like, but we're just gonna do it. I'm gonna try to put some under here, but I'm so scared. I don't know how much you put under here. Oh. It's not as light as I wish it was. Oh, Jesus, give me strength, Lord. Is that enough? Oh, my God, somehow. Wow, everything looks lighter with the stuff underneath here. I don't know, do I use this side or the flat side? I'm gonna use this side. Oh. How do you do this? I see so many people like they're going like 1,000 miles per second. I'm like, how do you? We'll just talk while this is going on. Wow, I don't like this. It's going in my crease where my eye boogers are at. I originally got a concealer, I think it was Maybelline, maybe? Or CoverGirl? No, it was Maybelline, concealer something. And I tried it, it was more of like a liquid kind of thing. Not bad, okay. Like a liquid one, this is obviously a stick. I did not like it at all. I was like, what is this crap? Plus I have like oily skin, so maybe, I don't know. Ooh, that stuff's hard. No. I can't pounce that fast. Oh my gosh. This is like a disaster. 12 hours later. I'm like so crusty under here. Oh yeah, I guess from where it's so cold, it like just kind of hardened. Now it looks so like pasty. Even more pasty than usual. I look so cakey, bruh. Oh well. Okay. Looks good enough. Okay. Now moving on to the naked eyeshadow palette. I don't like this brush as much because it just doesn't seem to work. I think everything would work better if I had setting spray to spray everything, but I don't. So I think I'm going to, I just guess. I'm going to try the optimized, which is that color. Optimized. Okay. Pack it in there. Okay. Put in the crease. I don't know if I'm supposed to brush it in or like pat it. Pat it. Oh, so much excess. Baker's mirror. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Why is it getting so creepy all of a sudden? I don't know. Doesn't look like there's that much on here. I guess you just have to build. That's how everybody says it. Bob the Builder. Can he fix it? Bob the Builder. Yes, he can. I don't remember the rest of that song. I guess we're just singing like old songs now. Like kid songs. We're going on a trip in a big old rocket ship. Maggot ship.
What?
Okay. Bruh, this does not. Well, okay, there's some color there. You have to build this a lot. Like I'm not even knocking off the excess. Okay, like you don't need to knock off the excess. Look how cakey that is getting, bruh. Cakey. Next, I shall go in with Cyberpunk. On like the outer part. I don't know. Okay, we're just going in. Give me strength. Ooh. That did nothing. Okay. Let's dive into pilot. Pilot? My words just aren't working tonight. You're like, I mean, can you see that? This isn't as dark as I thought it'd be. Like, it looks legit dark, but it's not. It's more like a pink purple. More like a pink dark lilac, if that makes sense. I wonder, can I go within some purple dust? Just a little bit. I don't like those. Also, my skin's not been happy with me, so I feel like that has something to do with the, like, dry cakiness, because, like, spots keep popping up. I'm like, stop it! Oh, this is so bad. Okay. I'm gonna go down on the under eye. Where's my brushes? I'm gonna go with this tiny brush by Morphe. I don't know what brush number it is. I wish they said on the thing. It just says Morphe. I'm gonna go in with Cyberpunk in Warning, which is that pink color. So maybe that with a little bit of that. I don't know. Oh, I need, ooh. Oh. Just kidding. Put some purple in there. Oh. Whoa. Need some purple, bruh. My, like, eye is getting twitchy.
What?
Oh my gosh. My eye's getting so watery. Okay. This is like so hard to do. Oh gosh. How did I do this last time? Gosh. Gosh darn it. This one looks more purple than that one. Oh well, you know, you live and you learn. I need to fix the edges. My eyes are getting so dry. Don't do it. Don't do it to me. I think that's as far as I'm going for there. I'm not going to go all the way around. I'm going to... Oh, God. I'm going to go in the corners with Lucid, which is my favorite shade, probably. Which is like that lime... Not lime, but like white shimmery mint green. I'm going to go in with that in the inner corner. Ooh. Oh. Whoa. Things look good a little easier. Oh. It mixed in with my tears. Bruh, that is so shimmery. I like it, but it's like partially on the bridge of my nose. I guess, like, I don't want it to be blinding, but I guess only in... Go away, go away. I guess I just have to, like, wipe it off. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to go in with Euphoric. That one. Right there. I'm going to use my finger. I cut my nails, so that's great. Okay, I'm just going to rub it in. It's not very pigmented like I wanted it to be. I'm going to have to, like, really rub that in. There we go. Let's go. I was patting it in, but that wasn't doing much of anything. I did this look like a few days ago to work, and I work with elementary school kids, like an after school program, and they were all like, Miss Abigail, why are you wearing makeup?
Excuse me?
I was like, because I want to. They're like, but you never wear makeup. I was like, your point. We'll go in with the mascara. Ooh, I will need this brush for sure. Because my lashes. Ooh, I got some like eyeshadow on my lashes. I have fake eyelashes, but I haven't tried them out yet, so. We're just going to have to deal with my tiny eyelashes. Okay. No for mascara. I'm just going to be like, maybe no. I want to poke my eye. So, I don't know why it's so clumpy tonight. Okay. I never do the bottom lashes until recently. Though some of them have been acting a fool, like they're sticking out weird. Puppies, calm down. Like, so afraid I'm gonna stick myself in the eye. or like get mascara all over my lid. So that's one of them. Okay. So what I did is I tried to grow out my eyelashes. So I was like, I'm gonna see if this works. So I put coconut oil on my right eyes, my right eyelashes, just to see if I can see a difference. And you can't really see a difference much unless you have my eyelashes or if you're like looking right at me. So yeah, it worked. They started to grow out, and then so these are not as full as those eyelashes. And I was like, I gotta start doing it on this eye. So it's been a process. I don't know why, but sometimes like I can put on mascara way better on my left eye than my right eye. And it's such an awkward position because I'm not left-handed, so I can't do. I wish I could do both. I wish I could do left and right hand. Haven't been able to. Okay, attempts happen for a reason. Like, I feel like I have more eyelashes on this side than I do this side. Coconut oil is a magical thing. Okay, that's as far as I'm going. So, yeah, the end. What is it? What's wrong with my, like, lip gloss? I think you, like, twisted it or something. Whoa! So, natural lip color, this lip. Oh, you see that? A lot of people go like over their Cupid's bow, but like I like the shape of my lips, so I don't do that. I don't know this lip. I don't know about this lip color with this eyeshadow, this like look, but I'm rocking with this lip gloss. Like, let's go. So this is my makeup look. Yeah. I hope you like this video. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Yeah, peace out.